see, I'm the backwoods mom and crafter again. We are going to be making brownies today. Homemade brownies. I think this is a combination of a couple recipes I found online, and I melded them together to make my own recipe. So I'm not sure. It could be someone else's recipe. Honestly, I don't know. This is the recipe I've been using now for 5 years. I don't buy brownies in the box anymore because for this particular reason. Okay, so where's my knife? My knife, here it is. So we need a cup of flour. Somebody got me something. 2 cups of sugar. This is a double batch. That's why it's so much. Once you find out how much butter's in it, you'll have a heart attack. So, 2 cups of sugar. This is why I go through so much sugar, because I make this like all the time. Cocoa powder. 2/3 of a cup. Actually, I have a 2/3 hydrant here somewhere. Here we go. See if I can do this without making a mess today. Okay. Where's my little scraper paper? There we go. And just clean it up. 2/3 cup of sugar. Or, excuse me, 2/3 cup of cocoa. And this I will actually have to open up the other one and put it in. Let's see. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Where did I put it? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. 1/2 teaspoon. Now, unlike yesterday, see, I always spell it. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let's see if there's a 1/2 teaspoon. Oh, yep, there it is. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's see. And that's it for the dry ingredients. A cup of flour, 2 cups of sugar, and the cocoa powder and salt. And then, literally, do this through Shrek. We call it Shrek because it looks like it's got over ears. Kids have been doing it since I got it, so we just lovingly name it Shrek now. I used all-purpose flour. I did not use bread flour for this. I used to use bread flour, but I don't see the sense anymore. There's a little crumblies there, but you know, oh well. Okay, so we got that. Now here's the butter. 2 sticks of butter. Can you feel your arteries hardening yet? Clean up as you go, or you're going to drown. And 4 eggs. Like I said, this is a double batch. 1. 2. Love how I crack eggs. 3. That looks like a dinosaur egg. And 4. Mix it all up. You can use a mixer. I prefer not to. It's just easier to use a whisk. These are the family favorites. Obviously, Gabe did not have these because of what I told you yesterday from chocolate. He's got oatmeal cookies that he loves. And you want this consistency. Basically batter. It's okay if it's lumpy, it doesn't have to be perfect. So that's it. And now, we're going to clean up a little bit because it's a mess over here. Put the top back on the flour because I have a cat that likes to play on the counters. I'm not in the kitchen 24/7. Feels like it, but I'm not. Throw out the eggshells because I always forget. There we go. Get the cookie sheet, or not the cookie sheet. I want to make brownies on a cookie sheet. On the pan. Again, I don't have cooking spray yet. I still forgot to get it. I'm not really crying about it. Whoops. look. There's blue stuff on my butter. Better cut that off. Where's my knife? Kniff! There you are. Take that. Just give it ever so slightly. Slice. Put it in there so I can toss it. Drop the knife on the floor. And butter my pan. Now this is actually a stick. It's not a gob of moo. A goo. A gob of moo. A gob of goo. So I can sort of kind of do it, but my hands are melting it quickly. Just get everything. Get the sides, get the corners. You don't want stuck brownies. It makes for a not so great brownie experience. Get your corners. Just like yesterday, get a tablespoon of flour. Have your butter look like disgusting. It is gnarly. I hate doing that. Rinse your hands off because you get covered in butter. Again, tablespoon of flour. Doesn't have to be perfect, leveled, or anything. Sprinkle it around, tap it around. Just like so. Put your top on. Because if you're like me, you have a cat who doesn't respect counters. And this is a lot easier than yesterday. Yesterday I was having a hell of a time trying to grease the pan. That was because I was in a rush. I was trying to get to my mother-in-law's before the storm started, which I did. It didn't start until much later. There. Now, have your, forgot to say, preheat your oven to 350 degrees before you start mixing anything. Let's do its thing. Toss that in the sink because now it's all gooey and chocolatey and we don't need it. Scrape your bowl. You don't want any bit of this delicious brownie going to waste. It's good. Get it in the bowl. Go. Get it to your corners, which by the looks of it, it's only one corner, 2 corners today. Put your spatula in the sink, pop it in your oven for a half an hour. There. You're going for a half an hour. Everything's doing its thing. The bread machine's going for another video. The brownies are in. When the brownies are done, I will swing. This time I will remember to swing you around and take them out and take a look. I think that's it. And I get to clean up the mess. So I will see you when they're done. Okay, so, guess what? I remembered this time. They just got done. I just took them out. I just had to go grab my phone again. So, they're looking good. They're too hot to eat, and I'm not going to crack open a batch of brownies. I will eat the whole thing. I have no self-control when it comes to these. They are that good, especially right out of the oven. So I'm going to let them sit on the stove and cool. Give them... They cool, but yet cook at the same time, so they're not really ooey gooey. So... They look perfect. This is exactly how they're supposed to come out without the glare. They look shiny though with the glare. That's pretty. I don't make a frosting for anything. This is it. So I will update you tomorrow on what the family thinks of the brownies.